Robots are a serious business here at Oak Park High School. Students are focused on making the robotic finals competition after just missing out last year. Right now, under the watchful eye of robotics coach Mark Sharp,
that'll work.
These students are creating very special robots.
What we're building here could save someone's life. That's amazing.
They're building robots for law enforcement to use in a crisis situation.
This is a really big deal with these kids.
One for Clay County Sheriff's Department.
That's the main two purposes of it, just to carry in a phone or carry out a person.
The other for Platte County.
We're gonna mount an arm here so it can open up doors and climb up, and with these angle here, it can climb up stairs too.
Driving this unique opportunity is robotic teacher Mark Sharp.
The sheriff's robots are serious business with them because they know that they're going to be saving lives, and a lot of them really like that idea and to know that they can make a difference with it.
Mark believes in a hands-off approach to teaching.
They do everything themselves. They build everything, they manufacture their own parts sometimes, and we do it all in this room.
But that's gonna go like right there.
Students appreciate the hands-on experience.
It doesn't just give you the skills on how to build a robot, but how to construct things, how to wire things, so that could be applied even in your everyday life.
Pneumatics right there.
Preparing students for success is Mark's main goal.
Whether they're going to be an engineer, a doctor, a plumber, finish the task. Get the job done, do it the best you can do.
We need to get a vertical bandsaw.
And the reason students are here.
He's a great mentor, and I couldn't imagine doing this without him.
Mr. Sharp has been essential to this club, and it would never be as great as it is now without his continued dedication, with staying late like till 9 p.m. almost every day during the season, even coming out on Saturdays, going to competition. It's dedication, and that's truly inspiring.